Hi, welcome to the National Bowling Academy. My name is Dan Triske. I'm a USBC certified silver coach. I'm here with gold coach Richard Shockley with Bowlersmart. He's head of bowling and development with the Bowlersmart company. Today we're going to discuss, unfortunately, something none of us want to deal with, but it's the splits. And in dealing with splits, coach, it never seems to come at a good time.
Never.
And there's never a good time to leave a split. But over the course of a tournament or course of league on a league night, what's the main thing that we really want to do if we do leave a split?
Get some count.
Maximize our pin count. Because we really
the pin.
want to get out there, you guys, and it's happened to all of us many times, where we've been bowling, you're on a double, and all of a sudden, you know what, you leave a Greek church. And there's a little bit of frustration, so now you want to go for it. So now we're thinking more about our game and not necessarily my team. So now if we go in there, coach, and I go for it, and I knock down one pin on a double, that equates to two.
Two, right.
As opposed to hitting 3 pins,
right,
which now is 4-10 difference in score.
And you're losing count.
We're going to lose count. And this is where we need to go back and think about the team aspect of this. And over the course of the end of the game or total pins at the end of a league night. Because there's been a lot of times that we've lost by one or two pins.
One pin.
And now you kind of reflect back and go, geez, you know what? Had I only just gone for the pin count and not for the spare. So this is where, and we get into, like, say, a tournament situation, coach.
Even more so.
So we get into where you're doing a 9-game qualifier, 10, 12, junior gold, where you're bowling 16 games over 4 days, and all of a sudden we end up missing, you know, you got the Greek church or the big four, and instead of getting 3 pins or 2 pins on the big four.
And you add all those up for all of those games, a lot of pins.
You know, now you're talking 40, 50, 60, even more. When we're talking about this, we want to make sure that we're going to maximize any chance we get to maximize our pin count.
All the time. And you know, when you're in match play and you've made it through the cut, maybe you're on the show, what do you want to do then? I got to beat you, so I got to go for it.
And that is the one exception to the rule.
Right.
Because at that point, we're going for titles, or we're going to advance. We want to advance on to the next match. So at that point, yes, that's when we're going to want to turn around, coach, and say, all right, we're going for it. Whether it's a big 4, 7-10, Greek church.
Throw it hard at the 7-10. Hopefully something bounces out, but probably not.
And you know what? And again, I want to reiterate that this is, a lot of times you got to think about it from a team aspect. Whether it's high school bowling, college bowling, your league night bowling, you know, this is where we get into it. You're bowling a tournament, you know, and you're in a team event and tournament. It can make the difference of you cashing and making money or getting nothing.
Seen it a lot on the Pro Tour.
So for taking out of this and look at the splits, you guys, that you have, if you get them, really think about maximizing your pin count before you get frustrated and try to go for it.